Ever wondered how Siri, Alexa, or even ChatGPT seem so smart? Let's break down how AI actually works. In simple words, AI stands for Artificial Intelligence, which means teaching machines to think like humans. But no, they don't really think. They recognize patterns, learn from data, and make predictions. Imagine showing a kid 1,000 pictures of cats and dogs. At first, they won't know the difference. But with enough examples, they start to get it. That's how AI learns, using something called machine learning. It learns from data and improves over time. Now, go deeper, and we get deep learning. It's inspired by how the human brain works. These systems use neural networks, layers that process info like our brain's neurons. More layers equals more understanding. That's how AI recognizes faces, voices, even languages. AI is everywhere. Netflix recommending your shows, Google Maps finding the fastest route, even hospitals detecting diseases faster than ever. But remember, AI isn't magic. It's smart, but only as smart as the data we feed it. So next time AI impresses you, thank the science behind it.